Is your phone constantly distracting you with WhatsApp notifications, but you do not want to delete the app? There is a way to disable WhatsApp without uninstalling it and still stay connected. I will show you how to do it in just a couple of minutes. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss an important reminder. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can do this just by tapping on the gear icon on the home screen to open the Settings app. Afterwards, scroll through the sections to find the Apps tab just right there. Click on it to open, and in the list of the apps, find the WhatsApp. I will use just the search tab to find it faster. Click on it to open and disable the notifications here. Click on this toggle, make sure that it's gray. And also scroll down, go into Picture-in-Picture and disable this feature too. And also from here, let's turn off the background data option to prevent WhatsApp from using the internet and the background. So access the mobile data and Wi-Fi in the same section and disable the background data. Again, go back and click on the battery usage and disable background usage to save more battery when you do not use the WhatsApp. After completing these steps, WhatsApp will not send notifications or use phone features unless you manually open the app. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to make even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.